So Bangkok by SOFITEL Wood Park View Room Tour, plus a look at their pool, with me, Ronipe. Let's begin. Let's check out the closet. Laundry bag and shoe cleaners. Oxygen molecules. They have an iron cool. Hanging space. Shoe storage. Time to check out the bathroom, the bathtub I never got to use. A rather small vanity counter for a hotel of this price range, but this whole bathroom is big. Here's the private concert hall. And here's the phone browsing area. And now, the bedroom. I like big beds and I cannot lie. Living cum dining area. Work area. Everything in this minibar is free. Complimentary sweets. I'm Filipino and they put the Filipino word for mango too. And my favorite, a view of Lumpini Park. It's like Bangkok's version of New York's Central Park. And here's the pool during the day. And here's me catching the golden hour. And here's the pool at night. Thank you and please follow for more travel content.